Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix we cannot send a text message problem on your Twitter. So all what you wanna do is very simple and easy. So the first step is you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then go to the Twitter app between all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, you have to open the permissions and then enable all the permissions right here. See all the permissions. Make sure that all those permissions right here are enabled. Now go back, and last thing you want to do is just go to the Play Store or the App Store and then update your Twitter. That's it guys for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.